Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of the Bitrix24 application for integrating the Swift callback service. To accomplish this task, I created a public application for Bitrix24. I'm installing a test version to showcase the main features. In the first step, the Bitrix24 CRM owner must enter the token they received from the Swift callback system. This token identifies them as a Swift callback system user. In the second step, the CRM owner can choose which of the employees will be responsible for the calls. If multiple phone numbers are registered to the company, the owner can assign a responsible person for each number. Finally, the data needs to be saved so that it's stored in the Swift callback service via the application. Next, I will show a simulation of call submission from the Swift callback system. As a result of the integration, the submission of call records is done automatically. For clarity, I will send a record manually through a form simulating the actions of the Swift callback system. First, the system determines which client the call is related to. Then, based on the settings made by the Bitrix24 CRM owner, the call record will be assigned to the appropriate manager. Along with the recording call, details such as the number, date and time, and duration are sent. Here is the address of the recording, and I am sending the test audio file. When the record is added to the CRM, a lead is created. Additional parameters can be specified, such as field containing a link to additional information. I'm sending the data to Bitrix24. During the submission process, several Bitrix24 API methods are called. As you can see, a new lead has been added to the Bitrix24 CRM. The leads card contains the call record, which can be listened to. The manager specified in the settings has been assigned responsibility for it. You can also see an additional field with a link. The records are linked to an existing contact. If the contact cannot be found, a new one is created. Now we will send another record. A new lead has been created in Bitrix24. This was done according to the customer's requirements. By default, Bitrix24 will link the record to the existing lead. At the same time, both records are visible in the contacts card. Thank you for your attention.